Greetings, this is Ken, also known as Lunchback Dad, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a bass using charcoal pencil. So you guys ready? Let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to get started with the shape of our bass. We're going to just kind of put them in and outline them. I have the tail right there. And we'll kind of put in the tail. Get that. And, well, big mouth bass, it's got to have a big mouth, right? We'll come and bring it around. And we'll put in this fin right there, and usually have kind of another fin right there. And one more there. Here comes his body. And you can see we have a pretty good. Come draw some lines over here. And we have our bass looking pretty good so far. And we're going to draw his lips. Draw a line down here. I'm going to come around. Let's go ahead and draw his gill. One gill coming around. And then one long gill like right here. And we can draw his eye. We're just going to draw some shade right here. Shade in his eye. And we're going to come and draw some charcoal lines right here for his fins. Let's fill that in right here. Some more lines with our charcoal pencil. Let's get some heavy lines right here. And some more heavy lines. We'll go with some more over here. And I'm just going to add a little bit of shading right here. And even with my finger, just kind of come and rub that in. And we'll add a little bit of shading. This side of his body. And then with my finger, I'm just going to kind of go in there and give him color. And really get the inside of his mouth black. And there we have it, guys. We have our awesome bass. I'm just going to draw some water. He's splashing out. And we have our awesome, cool, big mouth sea bass. Guys, I hope you guys had a lot of fun drawing this. And I hope you guys keep practicing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.